Alright people, it's that time of the year to take a preventative approach to treating our yards for lawn fungus. I'm gonna go over 3 big box store items, or 4 big box store items that I come across that'll help you prevent a lawn fungus and have your yard green all year long. So stay tuned, let's go over that right now. So as you see here guys, these are 4 big box store items that I've always come across, minus the Dr. Earth. I don't really see this one too much anymore. This one was more for the organic people out there that don't want to put harsh chemicals in your lawn. This was like an organic treatment for fungus control. I don't really see it anymore, but this was an option. It might still be available in you guys big box stores, Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. I'm just letting you know I don't see it anymore, so I don't know. Maybe it's not available anymore, maybe they don't carry it anymore, but for the organic people, this was your option for a big box store solution for fungus. It uses the basics, as you guys can see here. If you can see that, rosemary oil, clove oil, peppermint oil, all organic stuff, and it fights off the same fungus controls as these 3. But you're going to use a lot more of this product because I think it only treats the yard for maybe 2 to 3 weeks, as these other products treat for 30 days. So you know, if you got to go organic, if you must be organic, you don't like harsh chemicals, this was your option. But like I said, I don't see it anymore, but I thought I would bring it to you guys' attention. So I'm going to set that to the side here. We're going to go over these 3 items. Now, these three items I use faithfully every year. I've used them to cure a fungus, and I use it to prevent a fungus. I like to use these 2 as a basically, this is my go-to combination. Now if you guys can go ahead and get the stronger fungus control items offline, so be it. Go ahead, and if it's working for you, stick with it. But these 3 options here are for the people that want something now, don't want to wait for delivery, or sometimes some of those chemicals I know can't go to certain locations. Certain states are got like a ban or some kind of limitation on what you can use in your yard. So these are your common 3 big box store items that you're gonna pretty much find in any big box store. So I use these faithfully. I go in, I grab something right away, I put it down on the yard, treat the yard. Like when I had got the fungus, I went ahead, got the liquid. The liquid is always going to be your best option because it works faster. It's already in liquid form, and it's going to be stronger. If you guys can see, if you can't see, it has 2.42% propiconazole compared to the granulated formula that has 0.51%. And then you got to wait for it, the granules, to break down, because you got to water these 2 granular products in. So that's why I say your liquid is going to be your best option. So if you have a fungus today and you want to treat it today, this is your option here. Go ahead, pick this up, and it's going to treat up to about 5,000 square feet, as you can see here, and it's going to protect the yard for 1 month. So that's your best option if you have a fungus today. If you don't have a fungus today and you don't mind waiting and putting the granulated formula down, these are the 2 you want to go with. The Bio Advance, I used it last year, worked like a charm, prevented the yard for the whole season. I use 2 treatments, so I'll use this one the first 30 days, the Scott's the second 30 days. Why I do that? Because these 2 come with a different active ingredient. Like I said, these 2 here have the propiconazole, the Scott's have the oxystrobin. I hope I'm saying those 2 ingredients right, but like I said, using these 2 is going to give your yard a double layer of protection. I don't put them down at the same time because I don't want the yard to get used to both of those chemicals at the same time, and then it builds up its own resistance to those 2 chemicals. So like I said, choose one for the first 30 days, choose the second for the second 30 days. Let's see how many percent is in oxystrobin. The oxystrobin is 0.31%. I don't know if you guys seen it, but I'm gonna state it for you guys. And these 3 are gonna fight off the same funguses. They just have 2 different ingredients to get the job done, which is perfect. Like I said, you use both of those in the combo, you're all set to go. It's your basic formula here. I'll show you if you guys can see what disease it fights. It shows all the spreader settings. Make sure you read the labels, guys, on your bag. Make sure you applying the proper amount. Now, a lot of people, when I did reviews on these products in the past, they said they didn't work. Why they probably didn't work? You probably didn't apply the proper amount. I know this one, for the curative rate, that means if you have a fungus already, you want to use 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. That is 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So this bag is going to cover 5,000 square feet. So if you're trying to cover 10,000 square feet with a 5,000 pound bag, it's not going to work. That's simple mathematics. It's not going to work. And maybe that's some people's biggest mistakes, not applying enough product or not having enough product on hand. Right now, I'm going to be applying at a preventative rate. So the preventative rate is 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Let me state that again, 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet for the preventative rate. So when you get a fungus, if you have a fungus already, you need 4 pounds. If you're trying to prevent it, you need 2 pounds. So that's why we want to be in prevention stage, because we don't want to be able to have to use double the product. That's going to cost you more money, going to cost you more time fighting it off, and more stress, because now you're looking at your yard, it's not green, you're wondering why it's being ate up. So just remember that prevent is 2 pounds less. You want to stay on top of it. So let's stay on top of it right now. Basic control. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread the Scott's Disease X today. I'm gonna mark it down 30 days, and then I'm gonna come back with the Bio Advanced Fungus Control for the second half. So doing it that way, spreading one down, 30 days before, the second one 30 days after, that's gonna cover me for the full year. That's what I've done in the past, and it worked with great results. Like I said to you guys, you wanna make sure you're applying it at the proper rate and the proper amount. So a lot of these products, when people say they don't work, you got to be patient also, because if you go online, you're going to get a stronger grade of chemical. Now if you can get that stronger grade of chemical, like I said, that's fine, that's perfect. But these are the big box store options, so the ingredients inside of those products are less, so you're going to have to wait and just be patient. But if we in the preventative stage, we don't have to worry about catching that fungus. You're already gonna have the material broke down into your soil, so when a fungus do try to go ahead and invade, it's gonna go ahead and already shield it and block it out. Now your grass, on the other hand, can fight off a disease on its own also, but if you got that same disease keep attacking, eventually it's gonna break down that protective layer on the grass alone. So that's why we want to go ahead and use the preventative rate. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you how the products look. I'm gonna spread them down, and I'm gonna get you guys out of here, and then maybe you guys can go ahead and do your own treatments in your yard and get yourself all squared away. So stay tuned, let's do that now. The number one rule here, you see I'm spreading the product over a walkway and not directly on the lawn. You do not want to spread anything like a fertilizer, any product over the lawn, because you risk spilling it over. You don't want to do that. So I'm spreading it down over the walkway here. I've already used this product in the past, so it was already open. I already know the proper amount that I need, proper amount in here. I'll show you how the product look. But I use this product faithfully every year. And like I said, this is just for the people that want something quick in the stores and don't feel like waiting on shipping. I know there's other products out there that are better, but like I said, this is not for you. If you can get your hands on those higher grade products, that's fine. It all works the same. One will probably work and last you a little bit longer because it's a higher grade. But like I said, this is for the people that want the product now and need to fight off a fungus now or prevent something now and don't like waiting on shipping. We gotta, be careful also. A lot of times there's a lot of porch pirates out there, like to steal your packages. I see a lot of those videos out there, so I understand why some people don't like to ship things and have things shipped. Those porch pirates, boy, will get you. But let's get back here. This is how the product looks. As you guys can see, looks almost like miniature coffee beans, and it has a smell. It's like a little sweet smell. It's not too harsh, but this product here is not for people that want an organic product. Once again, this is, you know, their stronger graded product. It's not organic, so if you need something organic, I'm sorry. I want to make sure everyone is preventing right now. That's the whole message of this video. We want to prevent lawn fungus. We do not want to battle from behind. We want to enjoy the yard that we maintained last fall for this spring and summer going forward. So we want to prevent. That's the word of the day, is to prevent. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found good information in this video. Hope you guys liked the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue to watch my progress. Got a lot of things I'm trying to do this season to get this backyard within shape. This backyard is going on its 3rd season. It's looking good so far, but we're gonna take it to the next level. So, and I want you guys to be there with me. So take care, stay tuned.